Ready to promote your business on Google? Here's how to set up your Google Ads account in just a few steps. Go to the Google Ads website. Open your browser and visit ads.google.com. Click Start Now. In the top right corner, click Start Now to begin setting up your account. Sign in or create a Google account. Use your existing Google account or create a new one to continue. Follow the setup prompts. Choose your advertising goal, set your business name, and enter your website URL. Create your first campaign. Set your budget, define your target audience, and write a simple ad. Launch your campaign. Review your settings and launch your campaign to start showing ads. Helpful tips. Use Expert Mode for advanced options. Link Google Analytics for better tracking. Set up conversion tracking to measure results. And that's it. You're now ready to run ads and grow your business with Google Ads.